Welcome back to Motor Minds, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. That's right, Chevy has brought back the SS 427 badge, and it's packing some serious muscle. The Impala SS has been an icon of American performance since the 1960s, and in 2025, it makes a bold return. This isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a modern muscle sedan with power, style, and technology that demands attention. Chevy has blended classic Impala DNA with modern muscle car aesthetics. The wide, low stance gives it an intimidating presence, while the sculpted hood hints at the power underneath. The black mesh grille, LED lighting, and SS badging remind us that this isn't your average full-size sedan, it's built for speed. From the quad exhaust tips to the optional carbon fiber spoiler, every detail screams performance. And let's not forget those 20-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance rubber for maximum grip. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 570 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, giving drivers the ultimate choice in control and performance. 0 to 60, just under 4 seconds, and thanks to a performance-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and a limited slip differential, this big sedan handles like a true muscle car. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The flat-bottom steering wheel, sport bucket seats, and red contrast stitching scream performance. Chevy didn't skimp on tech either. You get a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 15-inch infotainment screen, and a premium Bose sound system for when you're not listening to that glorious V8. Of course, modern features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assist systems ensure you're getting the best of both worlds, classic muscle and cutting-edge convenience. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 the ultimate modern muscle sedan? With its brutal power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge tech, it sure makes a strong case. It's not just a car, it's a statement. But we want to hear from you. Is this the Impala revival you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive action from Motor Minds.